What is LinkedIn management and why is it unique with Varley marketing? I'll start with why it's unique. It is unique because I have 25 plus years of sales experience behind me, and I take that into the LinkedIn management. So let's talk about what it is and how it works. And the first step is using advertising. Why do I use advertising? Well, normally people will use Sales Navigator, have a target audience, and do cold messaging or cold connections, if you will. We've all experienced it. Somebody will invite you to connect with them. They'll say, "Oh, I want to be a part of your network." And then you connect with them, and then they send you the next message, which is a hard sale. Will you buy X from me? Will you get on the phone with me? And with my sales experience, I know that I can't just walk up to a person, shake their hand, and tell them to buy from me. It just doesn't work that way. You need to establish some level of relationship that provides a level of trust. So that's why I start with advertising, right? Then that takes them to the company page, the LinkedIn company page, for which some people, if they really like the cut of your jib, they will follow the page. Then those people I'll make a connection request to through a personal LinkedIn profile, which is where the real LinkedIn management starts. Then I'll have a series of messages that sort of warm that person up. Starts with a video thank you message. I could get into visiting a profile, any number of things, but this last line is customizable and revisable at all times. Okay, so let's take this bit by bit. We start with the ad. These are follow ads. Okay, we've all seen them. Normally they're used for career pages and such like that, but I use them for company pages, right? So when somebody clicks that ad, because this will usually say visit company or something like that, right? Then it will go to the LinkedIn company page. And for those that are interested, they are going to follow the company page, and you can see the followers right here. Okay. From there, we will know who those followers are by clicking on that. And again, through my LinkedIn management, I will go through each and every one of these profiles to make sure they fall within the definition of audience that we've established. And if they are, then I take them into another tool that I call a bulk automation tool. It's not a full automation tool. It's a kind of a semi-automation tool. It allows me to do bulk requests, essentially, whether it be connections, messaging, visits to profiles, and things like that, right? So obviously we would start with connections. These are people that have connected with me. I could put in here all 8, hit launch, and it'll make the connection requests to them. Those people will then move into the next part of the funnel, for which then I send them, and people love this, by the way. They love the thank you message, video thank you message, because it provides a human quality to the digital space, right? Now this looks like a link on this side, but on the other side, what they see is a GIF of me talking. And when they click on that GIF, they get taken to this. Hey, thanks for following my company page, and thank you for connecting with me as well. I really do appreciate that. Of course, you know I'm a digital marketing consultant and an agency, and my tagline is bringing value to the digital world. It's what I'm doing here and what I do for many others. So I'll be taking a look at your profile a little more in depth just to see what you do, and hopefully we can help each other out down the road. Okay, have a great day. So there you have it, and then we continue on with the messaging, and we'll decide what that messaging looks like. It could be that we give them like something that they can download, like a guide. I've done it with webinars. It could be as simple as, hey, can we, schedule a call so we can get to know each other, or see how we can help each other. Any number of things can happen. But basically what I do is I sit with typically the sales team to find out what is working when it comes to that, and we try to replicate that over to LinkedIn. So that is LinkedIn management from CAC Varley Marketing. Thank you very much.